Hey guys, time I'm going to show you how to install a fixture for your home. First thing you want to do is turn off your breaker so you don't electrocute yourself. This particular fixture is just one screw at the bottom here and the entire unit comes off. So go ahead and take that off and then you can gently wiggle the fixture off. And as you can see, it's hardwired in, of course. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to take off these wire nuts one by one. And the new one that I have doesn't have a ground, and I've noticed that a lot of the new ones don't have ground, so don't worry about that too much since it's kind of low voltage, so it's not a huge deal. Would have been nice if it had a ground, but it doesn't. So go ahead and take off your wire nuts and untangle your black hot and your white neutral so you can, physically take the fixture off. Then what we want to do is we want to take this bracket off because we're not going to need this for the new fixture. So it's just held on by two screws into your box here. So go ahead and take both of those off. And then what we're going to want to do is, for me, the white neutral, the exposed wire was a little bit longer than the fixture. So I'm just going to cut it with my clines to make it more even, so the exposed wire in the wire nut is more even. And then what I'm going to do is get rid of the ground. So I'm just going to put that in the box, just stuff it up there so it doesn't get in the way. Now we can start working on the new fixture. So this is the new mount. So make sure it's flat to the ceiling and the points are sticking down. That way the actual fixture has something to grab onto. So go ahead and put that, put the hot and the neutral through the middle of the hole there, and then go ahead and mount it directly to your box. So this particular mount it's adjustable. So I'm just going to put the screws in first, and then you can adjust it to center it or do whatever you want to make it, perfect for your house. I'm getting those screws started. You can adjust it and then make them tight. As you can see, there's the adjustments where you can move it back and forth and do whatever you need. And now let's start working on the wiring. So this hook here is pretty nice. So you can actually hook the fixture to it so you can use both your hands to work to get the wiring in place. So let's go ahead and hook that up. And you can just let the fixture hang for now. And let's work on the wiring. So I just decided to start with the black hot first. Put both ends of the wire in there and turn your wire nut. Make sure this thing is as tight as you can get it. Don't be chintzy with it. Make it as tight as you can. That way you have a good secure connection for the wires. Then go ahead and do the same thing for the white neutral. So really crank that thing, make sure it's really tight. And then as a check, you want to yank on the wires and make sure the wire nut doesn't come off. If it does, then you need to start over because you're not going to have a secure connection. So make sure those things are tight and you can yank them and they're not coming off. Then all we need to do is just put those wire nuts into the box. So there's, room for the actual fixture to go up and not have issues being flush. And then all you need to do is line everything up, mount it, and then turn clockwise to lock it in place. And now our fixture is set up. So go ahead and turn your breaker back on. And that's basically it. Test your light, it turns on, and we're good to go. So hope that helped.